Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be talking about the new Apple MacBook Air 15-inch. This laptop is a great option for anyone looking for a powerful and portable computer with a long battery life. The MacBook Air 15-inch is powered by Apple's new M2 chip, which is up to 18% faster than the M1 chip. This means that the MacBook Air can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. The laptop also has a beautiful 15-inch Retina display, which is perfect for watching movies, editing photos, or working on projects. In terms of portability, the MacBook Air 15-inch is incredibly thin and light. It weighs just 3.3 pounds and is only 0.63 inches thick. This makes it easy to carry with you wherever you go. The MacBook Air 15-inch also has a long battery life. Overall, the MacBook Air 15-inch is a great laptop for anyone looking for a powerful, portable, and long-lasting computer.